Chains, as implied by the name, link together views in a horizontal or vertical row, and then they behave as a group. A set of views are considered a chain if they are linked together via a bidirectional connection. You don't have to do anything special to make views a chain. Just connect the views in both directions. Chains are controlled by attributes set on the head of the chain. The head is the element from which the chain was created. Now, you can specify how chains behave during layout. The default behavior of a chain is to spread the elements equally in the available space. By assigning weight and bias to elements, you can control how they align. A spread chain is the default and spreads elements equally. A spread inside chain will use all available space with the head and tail glued to the parent. A weighted chain will use up all space and resize elements to fill it based on the values set in the layout constraint horizontal weight or layout constraint vertical weight attributes. A packed chain will do the opposite and use the minimum space. And you can add bias to move the group of elements on the axis, as in the last example of a packed chain with bias. The layout editor is very powerful, and there are multiple ways of setting each constraint. And there are always multiple ways in which to constrain your views to make them all work together. So go, experiment!